Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Jira issues using Jira Data Pipeline, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to the Jira Data Pipeline feature within the Jira administration settings. If you don't see the Data Pipeline option, make sure it's enabled for your project. Select the project from which you want to backup the issues. Click on the Create Backup button to initiate the backup process. You will be prompted to select the specific issues you wish to backup. Choose the issues you want by applying any filters if necessary. Once you have made your selections, click the Next button to continue. Review the backup settings to ensure they are correctly configured. You can customize the format of the backup file, depending on your requirements. Decide whether to include comments, attachments, and custom fields in the backup. After confirming your settings, click the Start Backup button to begin the process. The system will then generate the backup file in the selected format. You will see a progress bar indicating the status of the backup. Once the backup is complete, you will receive a notification. Download the generated backup file to your local system. Store the backup file in a secure location for future reference. Confirm that you can access the backup file and verify its contents. Periodically repeat this process to ensure regular backups of your Jira issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.